Healthcare Simulation Week celebrates professionals who use simulation to improve the safety, effectiveness, and efficiency of healthcare delivery. LSU Health Shreveport recently upgraded its standardized patient and simulation labs in order to enhance the medical education offered to students and residents.
Something that we're really excited about for the standardized patient program is the addition of the SimScope. In the past, whenever our students were in the middle of a standardized patient encounter and we wanted them to hear a particular heart sound or breath sound, they had to actually walk away from the patient and walk over to the computer in the exam room and listen to a recording. Well, with the addition of the SimScope, our students can hear a pre-programmed sound by placing the SimScope over a special tab that's actually on our patient. We think the SimScope is going to help to add another layer of fidelity or realism to our scenarios, and it also allows us to enhance the complexity of the clinical scenarios that we provide for our students.
The simulation lab has added 2 new TraumaMan systems. They offer training on 5 different surgical procedures, along with 2 new ultrasound machines, which can be used with our new FAST exam model as well as our ArtLine model. So we've also been able to add to the fidelity of our simulation suites. We've added working head walls as well as new ventilators.
An update to the Clinical Skills Center that we know our faculty users are going to be really excited about is the addition of 4 new smart boards to all of our classrooms. Our old smart boards were out of date and had very little functionality to them. And our new smart boards are not only larger, but they're going to allow for a more interactive experience in the classroom. And we think this will help to enhance the experience of our students.
So we've recently applied to become an FLS and FES test center. This means that surgical and OB residents can take their certification exam here on campus instead of having to go to Houston or Dallas to take it. We purchased the Symbionics GI Bronch Mentor along with the Lap Sim. The Bronch Mentor is allowing us to fulfill one of the requirements for the FES application.
These additions, in conjunction with existing technology, allow students and residents hands-on experience in order to learn and hone their skills in a controlled environment without risk to patients.